Ang cute. See you later. Hey guys, welcome again. And right now, mag-unboxing ako.
Bumili ako ng bagong cellphone. I order online, tapos I just arrived and gabi na siya. So ngayon ko lang mag-unboxing ako ng phone. And kaya gamitin ko kasi siya. So kaya ngayon ako nag-video, which is dark. And I just arrived from my work. So yeah. Ito po siya ay from Apple company. And which is iPhone Pro Max. Ito po siya. Pati yung mga resibo. Yeah. So, what are we gonna do? I'm sorry guys. So, ito na. Actually, ang kinuha ko lang is Pro Max, which is 64 GB from the phone. I'm iPhone user. So, I use the iPhone, ano ba yung last na ano ngayon? Hindi ko na naalala yung anong iPhone ko. Basta, ano ba yan? iPhone XS Max. So, and after ng XS Max, ito. So, ito yung kinuha ko. At i-unboxing ko na siya. Ito pala. May bukasan pala siya. May araw. Ang sarap sa feeling guys, no? Pag may ano ka, may bagong items ka. Wow, ang dali lang pala mabuksan. Kasi yung iba, yung sa iba, parang plastic talaga siya na naka-cover, diba? So ngayon, ito, parang ang easy lang siya. So, pwede ko din ibalik. I-unboxing ko ulit, diba? So, ito siya. I love gold color. Also right now, which is I'm using, is a iPhone XS Max, also is a gold color. And the same is 64 GB. So, now I'm upgrade for Pro Max with 3 camera. So, I'm interesting about the 3 camera because I have only 2 camera, which is I use right now in front of me. Yeah. Actually guys, iPhone is made in California, but it's a symbol in China. So may China pa. China, oh. Joke lang. Ito lang siya guys. Dun 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 dun. Ay. Ang cute. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Malaki siya guys. Diba? Wow. Na-amaze ako. Ito siya at saka yung phone ko, which is the same size lang. Pero wow. Parang wow. Na-amaze ako. Ayun. Na-amaze ako. Ayan. So while waiting, buksan natin yung ibang box kung ano pa ang laman. So ito yung mga manual at saka ito yung sticker ng Apple. Okay. And then charger. At saka yung AirPods niya. At saka yung charger cord niya or cord. At yun lang. So, yeah. Ngayon, hindi ko na siya kunin or gagamitin kasi madami na kami charger dito ng iPhone. So, hindi na kailangan kung sisari na lang. Ito din, meron na kami. Tsaka ito. Ibabalik ko na lang siya. So now, we are here ready. So, ito po yung start niya. Hi! Napanis siya. So, ayan. Pipili tayo ng language. So, I'm using most of the time English. And then, my country is Denmark. Yep. Now, it's loading. Quick start. Quick start is to say, set up manually. Yes. And then, write in spoken language. Station, and I will click OK. And then they ask me Wi-Fi. So I need to have a Wi-Fi. So I'm using, which is my Wi-Fi here. Ang dami naman.
Ganda. So I need to take my Wi-Fi password first, and then I will be right back in a few minutes.
So they say here, it may take a few minutes to activate your device. So we are waiting. That's so nice. So ito na. Dita. Continue Face ID. So I mean yung pang-unlock ng face mo. So we'll do this one manually. So this is here. Get started. I just click just get started. So now they ask me create password. So you can choose either here you can choose either 4-letter or 4-letter and a 4 number or 6 number or letters, how many you want. So it say here custom alphabetically code, custom numerical 4-digit, and don't use code. So at the moment I will use a code. So from what I have code in here is the same with my phone, so that I don't forget. So right now I am using my old code. So here we go. So they say restore from Mac, transfer, and yeah, they ask you if you want to restore your old videos, camera from iClouds, or you want to use directly from your phone or from Android to Apple, or the last option is don't transfer app data. So at the moment transfer, so baliwala akong ilalagay dito, and then after that they will ask you your Apple ID. So I will use my Apple ID. So kasi pag hindi nyo ilalagay yung Apple ID nyo, you cannot activate this one. So let's see here. So let me try this one. So yeah, they will ask your email address. So yes, I will use my email address, now my Apple ID. Sorry guys, I just arrived in the house, that's why I'm excited to open this and use it.
Here, from what I have here in my phone is the same. So nag-a-upper yung code, which is I need the code from here. So para ma-activate siya together, it's because this one is the same ng Apple ID ko. I need to use only one Apple ID. And then I click agree and it happened. So from what I video or blog right now is about the unboxing for the iPhone
Max or iPhone 11 Pro Max. which is new one. It's been a while I don't have a new phone, and I really love gold phone. Most of the time, I'm an Apple user, and most of the time I choose gold. So they say here, keep your iPhone up to date. So you will see here, continue. So we can do that to set up. And then location service, you can click the blue one, enable.
And after that, they will ask your Apple Pay. I want to say set up later in wallets.
And then screen time, continue, and then iPhone analytics, share with Apple. I don't want to share with Apple, share with app developer, True Tones, and I will click continue. And then now I can choose which is light or dark. I prefer to have a light. So I just click here and then here. Display zoom. Let me see here. This is the latest from the Apple Pro Max. Yeah. So I want to choose standard, and you can choose standard in zoom. I will choose the standard as normal and go home. Continue. And switch between recent app. Then I will click continue, quickly access the control, continue. Then welcome to iPhone. So they say here, swipe up to get started. So let's press. Dun-dun! And then they ask you sharing your location. Use this device when sharing your location. Yes, if you want to say use. And there you go. So I want to take a picture. And then a new camera. Allow once and then shoot it. So be here. So unclear niya guys. Wait. Say here because bago nga siya, so may mga tips siyang lumalabas. So they say here, you can swipe up to see the live video effect people in location. I say got it. So ito yung picture na kinuha ko. So that's all guys. So yes, welcome to my phone, which is masaya ako to have my phone. Yeah, new phone. So need to wait another 2 years to have a new phone. So at least
I hope guys you enjoy my vlog and for the unboxing and setting up with the new phone. So see you.